everyone, this is Mahima Singh, legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today we'll talk about Section 34, the objective of Section 34. Section 34 is basically designed to deal with the situation in which it might be hard to differentiate between the criminal acts of an individual members acting in a favor of common intention of all, or to prove precisely what part of each them took. The reason why all the found guilty in such instances is that an compliance exemption provides encouragement, help, safety and trust to an individual who is actually engaged in an illegal act. Accordingly, every person who is engaged in commission of a criminal offence is held liable by virtue of his involvement in the act performed, even if the specific act in question was not performed by either member of the group. Now, ingredient of Section 34. First is criminal act done by several persons. The said criminal act must have been performed by more than one person. If the criminal act was a fresh and independent act that springs entirely from the doer's mind, the others will not be liable simply because they intended to be involved with the doer in another criminal act when it was done. The acts committed in the criminal action by different confederates may be different, but they all have to participate and engage in the criminal enterprises in a way or another. Common intention. The core of joint liability under Section 34 resides in the presence of common intention to commit a criminal act in support of common goal of all group members. The term common intention means a prior consent, a meeting of minds and involvement of all group members in the execution of that plan. The acts performed by each participant may vary in personality but must be carried out with the same common intention. There is this case, Mehboob Shah versus Emperor. The appellant Mehboob Shah was 19 years old and was convicted of the murder of Allah Dead by Session Judge of the charge Section 302 with Section 34. He was convicted for the death of Session Tribunal. The death sentence was also upheld by High Court of Judicature. The conviction for murder and death sentence was overturned on appeal to the Lordship. It was argued before the appellant that when an Allah Dad and Hamidullah attempted to run away, Wali Shah and Mehboob Shah came next to them and fired, and thus there was proof at the spur of the time that they performed a common intention.